MSI GS66 Stealth is a good laptop that should meet the design, ergonomics, performance, and battery life expectations of its potential buyers, but it's also affected by small imperfections and quirks. Many of those concern the system's performance and thermals in demanding loads. That's why I'd primarily look into the lower-tier i7 Plus RTX 2060/2070 configurations of this laptop. MSI GS66 Stealth 2020 Performance Ultra Portable, and I've gathered my thoughts on this product down below, with the solid traits and its quirks. MSI offers potential buyers multiple hardware configurations of this laptop with i7 or i9 processors, RTX 2060-2080 Super graphics, and several types of screens that makes it competitive at the higher end with the best 15-inch performance ultra portables out there, but especially in the lower tier SKUs. MSI offers this laptop in a multitude of configurations, starting with 6 core Intel i7-10750H processors and RTX 2060/2070 graphics and a 240Hz screen at the lower end, and up to an 8 core i9-10980HK configuration with RTX 2070/080 Super graphics and a 300Hz display. Hardware and performance. Our test model is a lower-spec configuration of the MSI GS66 Stealth, with an Intel Core i7-10750H processor, 16 GB of DDR4, 2666 MHz of memory, 1 TB of fast Samsung PM981 storage, and dual graphics, the Nvidia RTX 2070 GPU and the Intel UHD within the Intel platforms, with Optimus.